What is your English level? Find your level. Upgrade your English. Build real confidence. I have a problem. There is a problem. This is a problem for me. I have an issue with. This has become a bit of an issue. This poses a problem. I do not agree. I disagree. I don't agree with you. I see it differently. I am afraid I don't agree. I am not really convinced. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry about that. Sorry, I didn't mean to. I apologize for the inconvenience. Please accept my sincere apologies. I want help. Could you help me? I could use some help. I'd appreciate some help. I'd value your assistance. I'd appreciate your insight. I like. I really like. I am really into. I am really keen on. I have a fondness for. I relish. I don't know. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I haven't got a clue. I'm uncertain. I'm at a loss. Very happy. Very glad. Thrilled. Elated. Ecstatic. Euphoric. I don't like. I dislike. It's not my thing. I can't say I'm a fan of. It's not to my taste. I can't abide. I am hungry. I am really hungry. I am getting hungry. I could really eat something right now. I haven't eaten yet, I am starving. I am ravenous. Be quiet, please. Please be quiet. Could you be quiet, please? Would you mind being quiet? I would appreciate it if you could keep it down. Let's keep the noise to a minimum, shall we? I am lost. I don't know where I am. I'm not sure where I'm going. I've lost my way. I have lost my bearings. I'm disoriented. I am bored. I feel bored. I have nothing to do. I am restless. I'm fed up. I'm bored out of my mind. I am surprised. Amazed. Impressed. Astonished. Stunned. Flabbergasted. Excuse me. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, can I pass? Sorry, could I get past you? Excuse me, would you mind if I passed through? Pardon me, I just need to slip past for a moment. What is the time? What time is it? Do you have the time? Could you tell me the time, please? Would you mind telling me the time? I was wondering if you could tell me the time. I don't understand. I don't understand, sorry. Sorry, I don't quite understand. I am not sure I understand what you mean. I am sorry, I don't get it. I am having trouble following you. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I don't mind. I am not bothered. I am indifferent. I couldn't care less. I am busy. I am very busy. I am quite busy. I have a lot to do. I am tied up. I am swamped. Wait. Hang on. Just a second. Give me a sec. 1 minute, please. If you could give me a moment. I want a drink. I would like a drink. I am thirsty. I could use a drink. I am parched. I am dying of thirst.